Totally safe. I know this might be a little bit long for you guys. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby Spur, get in there. He's curious. He'll be back. Here it comes. He's going to get a little wind on him. He'll get a taste of it. There we go. Get in there, buddy. There we go. There we go. He should get a little taste of it now. All. There it is. Oh, is he tired out? Oh, he's so tuckered out. That is great. Oh, I wish it had gone a little bit better, but baby Spur is tired out. But he did that. He did have a find earlier this morning. I think maybe a 10 count. So he did all right. But it would have been a lot. It would have gave me some real confidence and bragging rights had he gone in there and really locked up and showed he has that powerful nose, which we know he has. We saw it on that video where he travels in almost 200 yards. He didn't today. And those birds were as locked down as you can get. Oh, funny. Funny, but a little bit sad. All right, we got Joker waiting for us. Oh, I'm out of shape. All this riding doesn't help your heart.